Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is Patch Tuesday. We are the second Tuesday of the month of July 2026, and this month we have a big change in the number of flaws. It is pretty incredible. So Microsoft had warned us that they were going to start using AI to find security flaws within Windows. And this month's reporting of flaws for all of the Microsoft products and services, not counting Microsoft Edge, this month is the biggest Patch Tuesday ever right now. 570 flaws discovered within some of the Windows products and services. Out of them, several hundred in Windows only. So if you're on Windows 10, you will be getting KB 509-9539. This is the Windows 10 update. What's interesting with this update for Windows 10 is that it actually fixes a few problems that were in the operating system at the same time. So even though they don't issue bug fixes in preview release, they add some bug fixes within the Patch Tuesday updates. So for example, the recycle bin problem where the files, when you were deleting them, reported the wrong name is fixed, and there's a few things in File Explorer that's fixed also with OneDrive and so on. So probably several hundred security flaws fixed, and that means that you should basically make sure that you update as quick as possible. There are a lot of critical flaws in there. So no 0 days from what I see, or 30 days. Yes, sorry, 30 days they have reported, but more than, there was like 59 critical flaws. So out of them, there are 30 days. So that means it's extremely important to update your system. In Windows 11, you have, of course, the updates that come with the system, which is KB 5.10.16.50 for the security update. And that brings your build to 26.200.8.875 or 26.100.8.875, depending on 24H2 or 25H2. I did have a few .NET Framework security updates in there also. So that could be a possibility. There was a malicious removal tool update also that I've seen go through. So quite a few updates, and of course, several hundred flaws once again, also for Windows 11, and 30 days, and a lot of critical flaws. We can say that it's a very important Patch Tuesday to apply all the updates. And we'll go into a little more detail about all of this in the next video. It's pretty incredible what you'll see in there. We're going to use the Bleeping Computer article to analyze the different flaws. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.